Marcela, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do this cute hairstyle. It's perfect for everyday, school, sports or even a special occasion. Let's start. Okay guys, in here we're going to start doing a division from one side of the head diagonally. We're going to bring it to the other side, passing behind the ear and until you reach the neck. Now on the other side we're going to start the division from here, behind the ear and all the way down as well. We're going to hold the remaining hair into a low ponytail. I'm going to apply some hairspray, comb the hair and hold it with an elastic band. Next we're going to start braiding, so I'm going to start on this side, picking up a piece of hair, split it into 3 equal pieces and we're going to do a Dutch lace braid. We're going to cross the outside strands under the middle one and we're going to add tiny pieces of hair to the braid from the front. Cross the outside strands under the middle and add a tiny piece of hair from the front. Again, cross the outside strands under the middle one and we're going to keep adding hair. We have to do the same steps over and over again. We're going to do the braid all along the division until we reach the ponytail. In here we're going to join the braid to the ponytail and hold them together with an elastic. On the other side I'm going to start on this corner and we're going to do a Dutch lace braid as well. We're going to add hair to the braid in tiny pieces of hair from the front and cross the outside strands under the middle one. Add hair from the front and one more time cross the outside strands under the middle one. Keep doing the same thing until you add the rest of the hair. Perfect. In here we're going to join this braid as well to the ponytail. Perfect. Now with the remaining hair I'm going to split it in half. I'm going to do a regular braid with each one of the sections and hold them with an elastic at the end. If you have longer hair, you can do just one braid and it will be a little easier, but this time my princess has short hair, so I'm going to do 2 braids. Next, we're going to add a little bit of volume to the braids. We're going to pull them from the sides. Now I'm going to grab the first braid, flip it up, and I'm going to hold it with some bobby pins. Grab the second braid, flip it up as well. I'm going to wrap it around the first one. I'm going to hide the end and hold it with some bobby pins. When the bun is ready, we're going to spray the hair with some hairspray and fix the flyaways. Okay guys, this is all for today. I really hope you like this video. If so, of course, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye!
Bye!